Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to get your account verified on Twitter, also known as X. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your Twitter or X account, it's important to understand what verification means. Verification shows others that your account is authentic and genuinely represents who you claim to be. This is especially useful if you're a public figure, creator, brand, or organization, as it helps build trust within the Twitter community. Being verified on X means having the blue checkmark next to your name. This badge represents credibility, recognition, and notability, and it helps distinguish your account from others in your field or industry. There are a few ways to become verified. One option is to meet the eligibility requirements through monetization features. You can do this by opening the More menu and going to Monetization. Here, eligible creators can sign up for monthly subscriptions and add revenue sharing. Accounts that use these features are more likely to qualify for verification. Another option is subscribing to X Premium. Premium gives you an enhanced experience, access to creator tools, priority support, and the blue checkmark. Accounts that are active, authentic, and notable have a higher chance of being verified through this option. You can also increase your chances by fully completing your profile. Make sure your profile clearly represents you or your brand. Write a clear bio, add relevant links, include a website if you have one, and stay active by posting consistently. Building an engaged audience and sharing valuable content helps establish your account as influential and authentic. Finally, make sure your email address and phone number are verified, as these are required for verification eligibility. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.